This video is for you guys that are looking for a longer length haircut with loads of texture and movement. Watch on to see how it's cut and then styled in 3 different ways using the brand new hair products from Bulldog Skincare, including a salt spray, styling cream and pomade. And check out the description for 20% off this new launch. Now this is Jack. He's been growing his hair out for the past year. It's got some really great length, but just needs to be tidied and defined. And working his magic today is friend of the channel, Nicholas Hardwick. After washing Jack's hair, Nicholas sections it from the mid-recession to the crown before moving to cut from the back. Now if you're growing your hair out, you'll know that your hair can flick out at the back and sides, which can be really annoying. So Nicholas is cutting in vertical layers in the back to refine the style and make it more streamlined. There will be no more flicks. He takes a minimal length off the sides but ensures that it's connected. There are no heavy weight lines in this style. Into the top, he keeps more length in the front by over-directing it, pulling it back and cutting. Weight is removed from the top by cutting into it. This is about adding texture, not feathering it. The result is a much more fashion-forward haircut with room to grow. No flicks, no feathering, but loads of texture and movement throughout. Okay, now into the styling. Now I am super impressed by the all new collection of hairstyling products from Bulldog Skincare. Available exclusively in store at Boots and online at bulldogskincare.com, each product has been specifically developed using natural styling agents in place of traditional synthetic ones. Our first style here is a loose and messy lived-in beach look. Think 90s grunge. The Bulldog Original Styling Salt Spray is applied to damp hair and scrunched while working texture in with a hairdryer. Now in this spray is sustainably sourced Mediterranean sea salt, which not only smells great, but it gives this fantastic natural finish. Now you can spray and just let it dry naturally, but the hairdryer really will up that texture. Now style 2 is my absolute favourite. It's textured and full of body and volume. Now for this one, the Bulldog Original Styling Cream has been layered over that base of sea salt spray. The cream is suitable for all hair types and gives a natural finish with a medium hold. It's also been formulated using responsibly sourced and fully traceable shea butter, which helps to moisturise the hair. You can really see here how it's been used for this messy quiff, and for an effortless finish, the hair has been teased just down the front ever so slightly. I really do love this style. And the third and final style has been created using the original styling pomade. The pomade has been layered and swept back from the side parting for a more traditional style. Using 100% naturally derived styling agents, including candelilla and carnauba wax, the product also contains responsibly sourced argan oil. The result is a finish with great shine and a firm hold. Now, while trying this one at home, you can decide where to place your parting, or just sweep straight back from the front. The key is to layer the product a little at a time. And there you go, one haircut with 3 different styles. Be sure to check out the description for 20% off everything on the Bulldog website, including their hair products, and press subscribe if you've not already done so. But until my next new video, bye bye.